learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This whole month, we're asking, really? Really? 真的吗？真的假的？
有樣麼？
什麼狀況會說有樣麼 ？Okay, that's how you say it in Hakka. 就是可能，比如說有什麼新的店開張了，餐廳或百貨公司，哇，更方便了，對不對？
不相信，怎麼可能在這裡
Yeah, when a restaurant, a shop, or a department store opens up, all right, let's get you into that situation. How about a department store opening up across the street? 我家對面要開百貨公司。
雅福下對面愛開百貨公司。
哦，百貨公司應該就是
百貨公司
department store 百貨公司。
雅福下對面愛開百貨公司。
百貨公司 OK， 剛剛是四線的腔嘛，海陸腔有不一樣的說法，對不對？
百貨公司。
百貨公司哦，要達成共識的感覺。
那就一起花大錢。
Yes, that's a different dialect for the department store. 但剛剛有講對面怎麼說？對面的女孩看過來。Okay, 好 yeah, that means across the street, right? 對面。Okay, and then your response is 有樣麼？哎，這我自己來教的，對不對？就真的假的？然後呢，就說哎，真的。以後逛街好方便了，對不對？好，我們順便教大家怎麼說這句話。It's true, and it's going to be so convenient to do shopping from now on.
有樣哈尼拜，
為什麼要叫我哈尼啦？
我沒有叫哈尼啦。
哎，我們要逛街你就叫我哈尼咯。
那你可以花大錢。
你要幹嘛？叫我掏出信用卡嗎？It sounds like honey, but it actually means something else.
No, 我是說哈尼拜。
哈尼拜的意思是
以後啦。
以後啦。Okay, that means in a near future. Okay.
昂給東風篇。
昂給東風篇。OK, 東風篇就是
很方便
啦，對對對 That means very convenient. All right, so in the future, it's going to be convenient to go shopping. 懂了。好 let's review some of these phrases, such as 百貨公司，也就是 department store.
百貨公司，
然後跟 honey 很像的以後。
哈尼拜
Okay, that means future, in the future. And finally, convenient, 方便。
奉篇
Okay, that means convenient. And it's all about asking, really?
有樣麼
And we have more this whole month, so stay tuned. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.